leaves your home smelling good without flies, without mosquitoes, and spending almost nothing. To start today's tip, we will use an orange. With the use of a knife, I will cut the bottom of the orange to keep standing. Then we'll also cut in half the same way I'm doing, in the middle of the orange. Now the ideal is to make a hole for the following use of a candle, being item that will make this tip effective. Just a small candle is enough, or even if you cut a normal candle into a small piece. I will now put on the sides also cloves. This spice is very fragrant and one of the items that will help in the aroma of your home and are very important to ward off flies. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Molly Catherine from Malaysia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This tip today is for all home environments. After I started using, I no longer had problems with insects, and my visits always ask me what was the secret I used. Now I will use some sticks. I will put standing in the orange using 2 units, so the other end will be above the candle, where I will put the other half of the orange. And so our tip will be ready. I will only light the candle, and we can already notice the aroma of orange in the environment. Here we will also do this tip with another aroma. I will use a lemon. The process is the same. First we will cut the tip, and also cut in half. After that we will also open a hole in the middle and add the other half of the candle. Using this tip for a short period in the day-to-day in your you can already have a better aroma. And the main thing is to keep the insects away from your home. And then we will also add the cloves, are fundamental to keep the insects away. The ideal is the use of each aroma of this in a room of your home, being ideal even for use in the bathroom when lighting the candle ends with any odor. Finally, I will add the sticks, remembering to keep above the height of the candle, then just add the other half above. And our tip is ready. Everyone will be surprised by the result of this tip, and even by serving as a decoration. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Tell me later if you got the desired result for use in your home. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.